Look at that place. How you doing? Well, look at this. Y'all see this here? Look like they almost finished with that. You know? So let's walk down even further. Okay? And take a look at the street. You know? So, how y'all doing? Alright. So, look at the street. Look like they sort of done with their street. You see, look at it. I think I'm gonna take y'all down there. I think I'm gonna take y'all down that street one day. Probably Saturday or Sunday or whatever. Not sure of it. But okay. This should be done by next week or week after, so I'm not sure. Nice coffee place over there. Okay. Oh well.
You bad luck with yourself.
I caught an argument on my show. How about that? And there's folks videoing it too. How y'all doing?
Hello.
Oh, you filming, huh? Yeah. All right, I'm filming myself. Uh-oh. Well, I just caught an argument on my show. Never had an argument on my show before. But oh well. Those two was arguing. Oh well. The hell with it.